Just a few hours, a right that thousands of women have exercised over the past 50 years will become illegal.
We're talking about the Human Life Protection Act, or Tennessee's abortion trigger law. It goes into effect at midnight.
After the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade back in June, a Tennessee law that was put on the books in 2019 came to the forefront for legislators, attorneys, and women.
In our top story tonight, 6 on Your Side reporter Paige Weeks breaks down this law and what it means, and also explains why it is raising questions and concerns.
Put simply, any measure that's used to terminate a pregnancy will be illegal in the state of Tennessee.
This trigger law was actually passed in 2019, but it just reverts back to what the law was prior to Roe versus Wade.
This trigger law features several main points. However, there is one point that's under extreme scrutiny: exceptions versus defense. According to attorney Greg Isaacs, the law is clear.
There are no abortions and there are no exceptions.
But that contradicts what some political leaders like Briggs believe the law says.
Number one, it's performed to prevent the death of the mother. Or number two, it's to prevent serious or substantial and irreversible impairment of a major body function.
According to Isaacs, there are no exceptions when it comes to this law. Instead, there's what is known as affirmative defense.
If you're prosecuted, you can say it was a decision I had to make to save the life of my patient, to comply with my Hippocratic oath. But does it keep them from being prosecuted? No. Is it a defense? Yes. Are there exceptions? No.
This leaves doctors and patients left in limbo, as doctors must now decide if and when an abortion is required. It's a predicament Briggs says he's already seeing doctors struggle with.
They're treating women that have certain medical conditions, such as ectopic pregnancy, and then you also have these situations such as rape and incest. There's confusion about what can and cannot be done on those circumstances.
Briggs says Tennessee's trigger law will remain as it is through the rest of the year. Come January, he expects lawmakers to review the law and decide whether changes need to be made. But for now, starting on August 25th, 2022, abortion will be a felony in Tennessee. Reporting in Knoxville, Paige Weeks, WATE, 6 on Your Side.
Now, ahead of Tennessee's trigger law going into effect, the CEO of Planned Parenthood of Tennessee and North Mississippi is weighing in on what this change means for women.
Politicians in Tennessee intentionally created this climate of chaos, confusion, and devastation. The law will make doctors second-guess their medical training and expertise when choosing a treatment plan or risk a felony of criminal conviction. Now, lawyers and hospital administrators will be weighing in on life or death scenarios.
On the other side of this issue, the president of Tennessee Right to Life is saying, quote, to protect that right for our unborn children is a responsibility that we take seriously. Stacey Dunn goes on to say Tennesseans should be proud of what our state has accomplished for our most vulnerable citizens, end quote.